So good evening and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the chapter decimals and we are discussing today NCERT exercise 8.2. I believe you must be remembering how to convert fraction and how to convert fraction to decimal. These two portions we have covered in our previous class. So just we will be using those concepts only to understand this exercise 8.2. Okay. So if you must be remembering, our first question is complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimal to write the number. So what we are going to do, let us discuss from starting from question number 1. It is saying us we have been given some figures beta. Okay? I am not taking the question from the book, but I am taking questions similar to the book. Okay? There is a box given and in that box there are total 100 divisions. Okay, 10 rows and 10 columns are given. So if you will if you will conclude all the number of small boxes, you will find there are total 100 boxes inside. ठीक है, छोटे छोटे divisions दिए हुए हैं that are 100. Okay, now it is telling, आप पहला वाला क्वेश्चन जब उसमें चेक करोगे the A1, you will find that there are few divisions which are filled. It means आप जब चेक करोगे तो you will find in A1 you will find the 26 boxes are filled up. ठीक है, and rest of the boxes are empty. ठीक है, तो अगर आप इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हो, if you have in the form of fraction, you will find 26 are filled, 100 were in total, so the number would become 26 by 100. Now, may I know, students, please tell me in decimal form, what will you write it down 26 by 100? Tell me. Speak. Absolutely right. 0.26. So, beta, may I know what is the whole number here? What is the whole number part in this? 0. And decimal part is 26, है ना? Decimal part is 26. It means the whole number part is 0 and 2 is the 10th place and 6 is the 100th place. Okay. So remember the whole number part is 0 and 2 and 6 both are in the form of decimal part where 2 is in the place of 10th and 6 in the place of 100th. ठीक है? So what we are going to do, question number 1 में आपको यही करना है, आपको पहले सारे के सारे डायग्राम्स चेकआउट करने हैं और उसके बाद आपको उनको फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन लिखना है एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फ्रैक्शन देन यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेसिमल. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज डायग्राम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, आपको बुक में ही करके छोड़ देना है. नो नीड टू डू दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑन योर फेयर कॉपी. Is it clear, beta? Please reply. Okay. Yes. Now, question number 2, beta. Question number 2 also no need to do in fair copy. Question number 2 also do it in the book only. Question number 2 को भी आपको केवल बुक में करना है. Let's understand this. The places are given, beta. This is 100th place. This is 10th place. This is 1st place. Please check the table. You will find these things. This is 10th place. This is 100th place. And the last one is 1000th place. 1000th place. Okay. Now you will find in this table there are numbers are written. So आपको at the last number form करना है. After using these places, you have to form the number. So please do this question in the book only. No need to write it down on your fair copy because there will be so much of diagram for it. Okay, so we will be doing on the board only. Now look at here. Here it is written question number A. This is 0. This is 0. This is 3. This is 2. This is 5. And the last one is places 0. Now student, please watch on the board. Do we have any place? Do we have any value at 100? Tell me yes or no. No. Okay. Do we have Do we have any value in tens? Do we have any value in tens? No, correct. It means we have only value in ones place, है ना? So ये हमारी कौन सी value है बेटा? This is whole number part, and in whole number part you don't have any value except 3. केवल 3 है हमारे पास. So we will write it down 3 point. ठीक है, बिकॉज होल नंबर में हमारे पास केवल 3 है, तो हमने ले लिया केवल 3. ठीक है, नाउ लुक एट द डेसिमल प्लेस. हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस वी हैव? 2 and 5 and 0. 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. This is 2, this is 5 and this is 0. So we will simply note it down 2, 5 and 0. So our answer would be 3.25 and 0. Okay, now I am writing one question on the board. Please tell me which number is this. You have to guess which number is this. ठीक है, this is not from the book. Please you tell me, students. Wonderful, very good. Who said this answer? Wonderful, beta. Now look at here. Students, look at here. This is 100th place. This is 10th place. This is 1's place. This is 1 by 10. That means 10th place. This is 100th place and this is 1000th place. It means हर प्लेस पर आपके पास नंबर है, तो आपको सिंपली करना क्या, नंबर फॉर्म कर देना है. ये है आपका होल नंबर पार्ट. दिस इज 102. So I will write it down 102. Then we put the decimal. I have also put the decimal. Now look at here the decimal part. Decimal part is 6, 3 and 8. So our answer would be 638 after decimal. Now students, I am just writing one more number, the last one. You guess it. What would be the answer? But this time you will not speak. You will simply write it down the answer. You have to write it down the answer by your own. I just want to see कितने लोग सही लिखते हैं. Please note it down on your fair copy only what should be the answer. There is no places, only 0, 0, 0 everywhere. Only the last place is 8. Okay. Can you guess the number? Speak now. What number can be? Yes, please. Very, very good. 0.008. Because ultimately you have only 0 in whole number part. You don't have any other number except 0. So can we write only 0? Yes or no? Tell me. Instead of writing 0, 0, 0, we can simply write only 0. So I have written only 0 now. Okay? And here we have in decimal part we have 0, again 0, and then at the last we have 8. So our answer would be 0.008. Question number 2 also completed. Remember question number 1, question number 2. No need to do on copy, only in book. Okay? Now next question is question number 3. Write the following decimal in the place value table. Again the question comes related to place value table. So इसके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हम लोग नहीं करेंगे बेटा. We will only do 2 questions. Write it down the places on your fair copy. Start from 100. Here we have 10. Here we have 1s. Then we have 10th place, that is 1 by 10. Then we have 100th place. I am writing 1 by 100 directly. Then we have 1000th place. So I am writing directly 1 by 1000. So I have segregated this. Then we will simply note it down the values what we will have on this places. See, I have made this place value table. You can also make this on your fair copy. And then we will place our values on these places. So our question is 148.32. Now students, take your time and please put this number on this table on your fair copy. Just try to put that. पहले होल नंबर पार्ट उठाइए और होल नंबर पार्ट को रखिए, एक साथ मत रखना, ठीक है? फर्स्ट यू प्लेस द होल नंबर वैल्यू and then you place the decimal value, then it will be easier to do that. Yes, this is 148. 148. It means one place, one will come in 100 place. 48. 4 will come in tens place. 8 will come in ones place. This is whole number part. Okay. Now decimal part. Decimal part is only 3 and 2. 3 and 2 means 3 will be the 10th place and 2 will be the 100th place. So this is 3 and this is 2. Simple. The question is not so tough. You have to only just place this value on the place value table. Now students, I am giving you one more question to do this on your fair copy. This question you do it by your own. 188.409. Again, a easy question. Just place this number on the place value table. So you are totally right, student. This is 100 place. पहले हम लोग whole number part assume करेंगे. So ये हो जाएगा 1. Then we will have 8. Then again we will have 8. So this is whole number part. Now decimal part we will start from 10th place. 10th place is 4. 100th place is 0. And last one, 1000th place is 9. So we will place our digits on this place value chart in a proper systematic way. So this question is also completed. Now let's start question number 4. So students, question number 4 is write each of the following as decimals. It means now you have to check the question in a proper way and write it down the numbers in the form of decimal. Suppose you have a number as, you are knowing that we are writing down the numbers in, it can be a normal numbers, it can be a fractional form also, because you are writing in decimal form. So this is 700, maybe this is 20, the number is 5, another number is suppose 3 by 10, next number is 4 by 100, and the next number is 5 by 1000. Student, look at here. You are knowing, अभी हमने just place value table समझी है. याद रखिए बेटा, जब हम बात करते हैं डेसिमल फॉर्म की, तो वहां पे फर्स्ट प्लेस जो आपकी होती है वो होती है 10th प्लेस, सेकंड प्लेस होती है 100th प्लेस, थर्ड प्लेस होती है 1000th प्लेस. अगर इनमें से कुछ भी मिसिंग है तो वहां पर आप 0 पुट करोगे, याद रखना, ठीक है? अगर कुछ भी मिसिंग है देन यू हैव टू प्लेस 0 देयर, ठीक है? नाउ लुक एट हियर ऑन द whole number part. Now look at here whole number part. This is ones. 1 0 के साथ मतलब tens part. 2 0 के साथ मतलब 100 part. और अगर 3 0 के साथ मतलब 1000 part. अगर इसमें भी कुछ भी अगर आपका मिसिंग है तो आप वहां पर भी 0 प्लेस आउट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? अभी इस क्वेश्चन में देखो कुछ भी मिसिंग है क्या? टेल मी, एनीथिंग इज मिसिंग हियर? Nothing is missing. Everything is written here. So what will be the number? पहले बात करते हैं whole number part की. So this is 700, 2 and this is 5. 725. Now have the decimal value, that is decimal. 10th place we have 3. 100th place we have 4 and 1000th place we have 5. So our answer could be directly written 725.345. No changes, no value which is missed. So we will write down answer in the form of direct way. Okay? But now I am giving you a question. Let me see how many of you are going to do it correct. Chalo. 4 plus 8 by 1000. कितने लोगों का सही आता है, दैट आई विल सी. So the question which I gave you is 4 plus 8 by 1000. So यहाँ पर बेटा देखो, अगर हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब ये हमारी जो वैल्यू है वो दैट इज होल नंबर पार्ट, और होल नंबर पार्ट में हमारे पास केवल एक ही नंबर है, दैट इज 4. ठीक है, तो हमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है, 4 हमारा एज इट इज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, देयर इज नो वैल्यू which is written in the form of denominator here except 4. So that is why whole number part is only 4. Now after whole number part we will put the decimal, because let us check कि decimal part में क्या क्या है. So decimal part में देखो बेटा, यहाँ पर हमारा 10th वाला मिसिंग है, क्योंकि अगर 10th वाला होता तो अपॉन 10 होता है ना. So यहाँ पर अपॉन 10 वाला कोई नंबर ही नहीं है. It means there is a number which is missing, that is by 10. So वहां पर आ गया आपके पास 0. ठीक है, then there is again a number which is missing, जिसके पास डिनोमिनेटर में 100 होना चाहिए था. तो 100 upon 100 वाला term is also missing, that is 100th place is also missing. So again we will have 0. ठीक है, तो 10th भी गायब, 100th भी गायब, but we have 1000th place. 1000 place में we have the value 8. So we will have the number 8 here now. So our answer is 4.008. Student, if you permit me, may I give you 3 more questions to understand this one in a better way? Tell me yes or no. So students, I gave you 3 questions. Question number C, that and C, D and E, which were similar to the previous one. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पे in whole number part you have only these two numbers 400 and 2. So our answer would be 402 in whole number part, and then we will have decimal. Now look at here, we don't have any value which is written in the form of 10th. ठीक है, divided by 10 वाला we don't have any fraction. It means 10th place is 0. ठीक है, then you have 100th place. 100th place we have the number is 3. So it means our answer for the first one will be 402.03. If your answer is right, give yourself marks for it. Now question number D. Again that pattern of question. Now look at here, this is 500 and this is 3. So if you will have whole number part, the answer would be 503. Then you will have decimal, that will be decimal here. You can see we don't have 10th value, we don't have 100th value, we directly have 1000th value. So it means both the places would be 0 and the last place would be 9. So if your answer is right, give yourself again marks for it. Now the last one, no value is written in whole number part. कुछ भी नहीं है ना, सब कुछ missing है. तो यहाँ पर हमने लगा दिया 0. And after 0 you will have decimal, because we have at the decimal place 1000 वाली value दी हुई है, 10th की भी missing है, 100th की भी missing hai. We only have the number which is written in the form of 1000th. So we will have the answer 10th place 0, 100th place 0, and the last place is 7. So our answer would be 0.007. If your all the 3 answers are right, give yourself 6 marks. Now question number 5 is, write each of the following decimal in words. This is also again more easy. ठीक है, आपको इसको केवल वर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है बेटा. हाँ, डेसिमल इन वर्ड्स. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग अ नंबर एज 0.03. ठीक है, अब इसमें देखो कैसे रीड करते हैं बेटा. देर आर 2 ways टू रीड दिस नंबर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड्स. या तो आप इसको लिखो 0.03, इसको आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, बट उसको हम वर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं बोलेंगे, उसको हम रीड करना कहते हैं केवल बेटा, है ना. हम उनका नाम नहीं लिख रहे हैं, वी आर ओनली जस्ट टेकिंग द हेल्प टू रीड. सो हम रीड करेंगे 0.03, बट हम लिखेंगे नहीं इस फॉर्म में बेटा, है ना. वर्ड फॉर्म में जब हमें लिखना पड़ता है, देन वी राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 403, 503, 607, like this. So how we will write down the decimal values in the word form. Now look at here. May I know, students, tell me what is the whole number part? जल्दी से बताइए. What is the whole number part here? 0. 0 means we don't have any value in whole number part. ठीक है? 0 means we don't have any value in whole number part. तो इसको छोड़ देते हैं. Do we have any 10th value? Tell me, do we have any 10th value? No. No value. Do we have any 100th value, beta? Yes. What is written? What is written in 100th value? 3. Correct. So our answer would be THREE, that is 3, and then we will write it down 100th. HUNDREDTH. So our answer would be 300th. Now let us write another question. 20.52. Suppose this is the question. Yes, yes, beta. Okay. Suppose your value is 20.52. Now look at here. This time we have whole number value. May I know what is the whole number part? फटाफट से बताइए. What is the whole number part, beta? 20. So we will write it down. TWENTY. 20. This we have written. Then for decimal, beta, we write here and. In the previous question we don't have any value, so हमने नहीं लिखा था. But in second question we have decimal value also, we have that whole number value also. So we will place the and in between. So 20 and. Now look at here. Which number is there? 5 and 2. Yes, 52. We have 10th place also and we have 100th place also. तो यहाँ पर दो वैल्यूज हैं, तो हम पढ़ेंगे इसको एक साथ. वी विल राइट इट डाउन 52. So let us write it down 52, 52. And there are two values, मतलब 10th भी है और 100th भी है, और लास्ट कौन सी प्लेस है? 100th. तो we will write it down 52, 100th. We will not write it down 5, 10th, 2, 100th. इसको ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे हम. We will write it down 52 in the direct form and last place is coming 100th. तो हम साथ में उसको पूरा एक साथ करके लिखेंगे. That is 100th. 52, 100th. Now I am writing some questions. Beta, first you note it down this and आप अपने से करके दिखाइए. This is 105.43. These two questions I am giving you. Try this out. So students, I gave you again two more questions to just do this one in word form. So here you can see again we will do the same pattern. पहले हम check करेंगे whole number part, and this time whole number part is 3-digit number, that is 141. So you can simply write it down as 101. Sorry, 41 है. 141. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका होल नंबर पार्ट. हमने इसको लिख लिया. नाउ डेसिमल के लिए वी विल हैव एंड. सो आई हैव रिटन एंड आल्सो. सो 141 एंड नाउ you can see no 10th place, no 100th place, directly we have the 1000th place. So we will simply write it down here 3000. ठीक है. Now this time if you want to put S, fine. If you don't want to put S at the last, it's fine. So you can simply write it down 141 and 3000. So if it is right, give yourself marks for it. Now the last question which I gave you, again we will first check this out, the value part, that is the main number part, whole number part. So this is again 3-digit number 105. So the number would be 105. Okay. Now decimal. Decimal means and again. Okay. Now we will just check the number which is written in the decimal part. Decimal part may we have two numbers, 10th place and 100th place. and the last place is 100th, so we will write it down 43, 43, and this is 100th place, so we will write it down at the last, 100th. Finish. So if your this is also right, give yourself marks for it. Second one would be 105 and 4300. Now question number 6 says that between which two numbers in 10th place, please read this question clearly. It is written between which two numbers in 10th place on the number line does each of the following number lies. ठीक है, so suppose I am writing a number 0.06, I am writing one more question 0.45, and I am taking one more that is 0.66. ठीक है, I am taking 3 questions this time here to just check this out. Now it is telling बेटा कि आपको 10th place बतानी है कि 10th place कौन से दो नंबर्स के बीच में ये नंबर लाई करता है. ठीक है, so 10th place पहले अंडरलाइन कर लेते हैं because question is talking about 10th place. So I am taking the 10th place. This time we have 0, this time we have 4, and this time in this question we have 6. तो सबसे पहले हमने अंडरलाइन कर लिया. Now look at here, this is 0. So 0 के बाद what comes the next number? May I know from you? What is the next number after 0 comes? 1. So it means this number will come, it will come belong, like it will come between 0.0, that is already written, and 0.1. Are you getting why it will come? इससे हमें मतलब नहीं है बेटा. We will just see the 10th place. Whole number was 0, so that is why I have taken here 0 only. So this is 0.0, and 0.0 के बाद it will come 0.1. So that is why this number 0.06 will come between these two 10th places. ठीक है, these two 10th places. So यहाँ पर हो गया आपके पास 0.0 and 0.01. Now it is asking कि which number it will be the nearer one. ठीक है, it is asking on this one also. No, it is not asking only. It is just asking कि इन दो numbers के बीच में belong करेगा. ये question तो और भी easy हो गया बेटा. You have to simply write it down this. Now look at here. 0.45 underline किया हमने 10th place, that is 0.4. It means it will lie between 0.4 and, tell me जल्दी से बताओ, 0.4 and 0.5. करेक्ट, बिकॉज 4 के बाद यू गेट 5, तो यहां पर आ जाएगा 0.4, 0.5. हमको बाद वाले नंबर से कोई मतलब नहीं है. ठीक है, हमको केवल 10th प्लेस देखनी है, तो वी विल ओनली सी द 10th प्लेस. ठीक है, नाउ मे आई नो स्टूडेंट्स, टेल मी विदाउट टेलिंग बाय मी, व्हाट आंसर कैन यू गेट हियर? Absolutely right. 0.62, 0.7. So our answer would be 0.62, 0.7. Now, two more questions I am giving you. Please do it now. A, this is B, and this is C. Now, D and E I am giving you. Write it down their answer by your own. 0.92 and 0.57. फटाफट से try these two questions. Then we will have only the last question. So this time I gave you these two questions. Now look at here, it was again the same one. You have to first underline the 10th place. This is 9 this time and this is 5 this time. So पहले हम 9 वाला चेक करते हैं because it is saying 0.9 और आपको पता है बेटा 9 के बाद आता है 10. तो आप 0.10 मत लिखना. ठीक है, 0.10 नहीं लिखेंगे. What we will write down? 0.9, correct, 1.0. Yes, it would be 1.0 because one whole will come. So ये इन दोनों numbers के बीच में belong करेगा, 0.9 and 1.0. Now in this question we have 5, so it will come between 0.5 and 0.6 because 5 के बाद you get it 6. So these two are the answers. If you have done it right, Give yourself marks for it. Now we have last question of this exercise, that is question number 7. And question number 7 is also the easy one only. आपको because मैं ये pattern आपको समझा चुकी हूँ. So question number 7 करके आज की class finish करते हैं, ठीक है? So question number 7 is write as fraction in lowest term. Lowest term. So I will explain you 2 question and you will tell me 2 question and we will be ending up. So I am taking one more question, 0.18. Now you can see beta, this number, these 2 numbers are written in decimal form. तो सबसे पहले लोवेस्ट टर्म आता कहां से? लोवेस्ट टर्म आता है फ्रैक्शन में और नंबर तो हमारा डेसिमल में है. तो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट दीज डेसिमल नंबर इन फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. तो कैन यू टेल मी प्लीज व्हाट कैन वी राइट इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म 0.60? जल्दी बताओ. This is 60 and this can be as a form of 100. Yes, 60 by 100. Correct. And this number would be 18 by 100. Yes, the number would be 18 by 100 this time. So we have written these both the number. अब ये तो बन गया बेटा fraction form, ठीक है? अब fraction में बनने के बाद you have to write it down in the lowest form also. तो lowest form में कैसे किया जाता है? You will simply think of a table which can cut both the numbers. Yes, डायरेक्टली यू कैन टेक 20 ऑल्सो, यू कैन टेक 10 ऑल्सो. तो अगर आप 10 से लेते हो तो 10 6 जा 60, 10 10 जा 100, 6 by 10 आएगा. अभी ये फिर से कटेगा. इट कैन कट अगेन बाय 2, 2 3 जा 6 and 2 5 जा 10. So our answer would be 3 by 5 directly. ठीक है? So ये हो गया हमारा आंसर 3 by 5. और इस वाले के क्वेश्चन में क्या होगा बेटा? दिस नंबर विल नॉट कैंसिल फ्रॉम 10 because above you have 18. So this number can cancel by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 2 5s are 10. 0 का 0. So you will have the answer 9 by 50. Okay. So remember, if the number will cancel, you will cancel. If number will not cancel, you will not cancel. Okay. So please do these 2 questions on your copy and I am writing 2 more questions which you do it right now here in front of me. One is 0.066 and one more is 0.25. Chalo. Okay. So students, these 2 questions were given by me. Let's understand this. You are knowing if you write it down in the form of fraction, it would give us 66 by 1000 because it is ending till the 1000 place. So 66 by 1000 when you will remove the decimal and ये वाला number बनेगा बेटा 25 by 100 because you have after decimal 2 places. ठीक है? तो ये बन गया आपके पास 25 by 100 and this number would be 66 by 1000. Now what you want to do? Simply cancel it by the number which you are remembering, which will give you the table of this. है ना? So you are knowing both are even numbers, will cancel by 2. So ये हो जाएगा 33 and ये हो जाएगा आपके पास 500. So your answer would be 33 by 500 at the last. Because इसके बाद अभी आगे cancel नहीं होगा. ठीक है? This is the last step. And this one 25 and 100 can cancel by 5. और अगर आपको डायरेक्टली 25 की टेबल आती है तो आप इसको 25 से भी कैंसिल कर सकते हो. तो 5 से अगर आप कैंसिल करेंगे तो 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 0 का 0. 5 by 20 आएगा and again it will cancel. 5 1s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So 1 by 4 will be the answer. और अगर आपको डायरेक्ट कैंसिल करना है तो 25 1s are 25 and 25 4s are 100. So 1 by 4 in that case also you will get. So if you want to do it by 5, okay. If you want to do it by 25, that is also okay. This was all about 8.2 exercise, which we have already completed right now. Students, remember in 8.1, we had some questions left, okay, in the previous day. But you must be remembering, I have recorded this in that previous video, but the voice was not clear. Anna? The voice was not clear in that, the sound was not coming. So that is why I'm re-recording it again. So that is why I'm starting from question number 7, beta. In question number 7, the question is, between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie? ठीक है, and which of these whole number is nearer the number? So यहाँ पर कुछ numbers दिए हुए हैं. Let us take those numbers. 0.8. Another number I am taking as 5.1. Taking one more number, that is 9.1. And let me take one more number, that is 4.4 suppose. ठीक है. Now it is asking between two which whole numbers. तो सबसे पहले इन सारे क्वेश्चन में let us underline the whole number part. So this is whole number, this is whole number, this is whole number and this is whole number. Now the question is asking, ऐसे कौन से दो होल नंबर है जिनके बीच में ये नंबर लाई करेगा. ठीक है. तो यू आर नोइंग कोई भी नंबर उससे और उससे +1 के बीच में लाई करता है. इट मींस इफ दिस इज 0, तो इट विल लाई बिटवीन 0 एंड 0 से बड़ा कौन हुआ, मतलब वन मोर व्हाट इज देयर, दैट इज +1. so 0 to 1, so this will number will lie between 0 to 1. ठीक है. 0 and 0 के बाद +1 क्या होता है, that is 1. Now next number, this is 5, so it will lie between 5 to 5 के बाद +1, that is 6. So 5 and 6 के बीच में it will lie, 5 and 6 के बीच में. Now this is 9, so 9 and 9 plus 1, that is 10. So 9 and 10 के बीच में it will lie. This is 4.4, so this is 4 is a whole number, so this will lie between 4 and 5. 4 and 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now ये तो हो गए इनके आंसर कि ये दो होल नंबर के बीच में लाई करेगा. Now it is also asking that this number will be closer to which whole number. Now for this you will use the concept of rounding off. ठीक है, आपको राउंड ऑफ वाला कॉन्सेप्ट करना है. और राउंड ऑफ किस कॉन्सेप्ट से करेंगे बेटा, इस वाले नंबर को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. ठीक है. If this number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it means this will be nearer to this. If it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it will be nearer to this. ठीक है, याद रहेगा. So remember, if the number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be nearer to this. If the number would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it would be closer to this. यहाँ पर this is 8, so it means it will be nearer to 1. Okay. Now 5.1, it is 1. 1 is first group, so it would be nearer to 5. Okay. Now look at here, this is 1 here, so again it would be nearer to 9. This is 4 here, so again it would be nearer to 4. So remember, this was all about question number 7. Now question number 8 says that you have to show the number on the number line. So for the number line, अगर आपको locate करने के लिए बोला जाए number line में, तब आप क्या करेंगे? You will simply see that it will lie between which two whole numbers. For example, if you have to locate 1.9, so तब क्या करेंगे आप? 1.9, you can see that the whole number is 1. It means this will lie between 1 to 2. जैसे अभी हमने क्वेश्चन में किया था, it will lie between 1 to 2, मतलब 1 whole number and 2 whole number के बीच में belong करेगा. ठीक है. And you can see here we have only the 10th place. यहाँ पर हमारे पास केवल 10th place है. It means you can simply have this one whole number and you can start your number line and start directly from यहाँ पर आप इसको number line के लिए you will locate the number line symbol and you can start from this. The first step would be 1.1. Second would be 1.2. Remember the equal gaps like in fraction form. 1.2, then we will have 1.3, third number. Then fourth one would be 1.4. Fifth one would be 1.5. Sixth one would be 1.6. Seventh one would be 1.7. Eighth one would be 1.8. And the ninth one would be 1.9. And 1.9 के बाद it comes beta 2. That is 2 means 2.0. ठीक है? You can simply call it as 2 whole number, or you can simply say that it is 2 also. 1 को we can call it 1.0. ठीक है? So 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. That's it. And if suppose I'll give you to locate 2.5, ठीक है? So you can first check this out, that between which two whole numbers it will lie. So it will lie between 2 to 3 because the whole number part is 2. So यहाँ पर बेटा जो number line आपकी बनेगी, it will start from 2 whole number, ठीक है? And it will go till the last one, that is 3 whole number, ठीक है? 2 to 3 it will lie between. And then you can simply have the partition like पहले में जो आप कर रहे थे. It would be 2.1, then you will be having 2.2, then you will be having 2.3, then you will be having 2.4, then it would be 2.5, then you will simply have 2.6, then you will have 2.7, then you will have 2.8, and the between one 2.9, and the last one would be 3.0. So remember, इस तरीके से आप नंबर लाइन में लोकेशन शुरू करोगे, ठीक है? So simply remember that how many parts will be there in between? There will be 10 parts, because in all the questions which you have to locate on the number line have only the 10th places. तो आपको ज्यादा आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. So this was all about question number 8, which is there on number line. Now question number 9 is, write the decimal numbers represented by the points A, B, C, D on the given number line. बेटा नंबर लाइन पहले से ड्रॉ कर दी गई है, ठीक है? कहां पर ड्रॉ कर दी गई है? आपके क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में इन बुक. सो आपको यहाँ पर होल नंबर दिए हुए हैं, 0, 1, 2, 3 नंबर होल नंबर दिए हुए हैं. तो आपको करना क्या है? वहां पर पॉइंट्स दिए हुए हैं A, B, C, D. यू हैव टू फिल द नंबर लाइन. आपको पहले 0 से स्टार्ट करना है. यू आर नोइंग 0 से स्टार्ट होगा तो इट विल गिव यू 0.0. second number, second place would be 0.1, then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. ऐसे करके you will go 0.9, then 1.0. It means one whole number. Then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9 and 2.0. ठीक है? So this same place it will go as till 1.9 also. And at the last two whole number जैसे finish होगा बेटा 1.9 के बाद 2.0 will come, and then you will have 3 whole number, and after 3 whole number you will have 3.1 से start होने लग जाएगा, ठीक है? So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. अब जैसे 3.9 आएगा you will have the last value as 4.0. 3.9 के बाद 4.0. So 4.0 के बाद you will have 4.1, 4.2 like this. ठीक है? So now you will see the alphabets कि कौन कौन से alphabets बीच में आ रहे हैं, and which alphabet has the which value that you have to see from that number line which is given to you. So question number 9 is just a location based question जहां पर आपको number line पहले से क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है, ठीक है? आपको केवल उसको देखना है कि कौन सा अल्फाबेट कहां पे लिखा है. Now last question, question number 10 beta. Question number 10 is, you have the length of Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeter 5 millimeter, ठीक है? 9 centimeter 5 millimeter, and you have to tell this length in centimeter only. आपको याद होगा इससे पहले हम लोगों ने सेंटीमीटर एंड मिलीमीटर का रिलेशन ऑलरेडी देख चुका है. सो हमें सिंपली करना क्या है? यू हैव टू ओनली कन्वर्ट दिस इन टोटल सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज सम पार्ट इज इन मिलीमीटर. सो व्हाटएवर इज इन सेंटीमीटर दैट इज ऑलरेडी कन्वर्टेड. इसको हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. सो दिस वुड बी 9 ओनली. इसको कुछ नहीं करना, ठीक है? Now this is 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter means this needs to be calculated. So this is in millimeter. Millimeter को convert करने के लिए you simply divide by 10 for converting in centimeter, and this whole number become in the form of centimeter. Now you can see it's a whole number part would be same. 5 by 10 means you will have 0.5. So 9.5 centimeter would be the answer for question number A. Now question number B is the length of a young gram plant is 65 mm. 65 mm means you will have the question is only in millimeter. This question is only in millimeter, and you have to convert this question in the centimeter form. At least the gram plant length is given in millimeter, आपको convert करना है centimeter में. So again millimeter को जब हम centimeter में convert करते हैं, you will simply divide by 10. ठीक है? So 65 by 10, which will give you the answer directly 6.5 centimeter. So this is all about question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 from exercise 8.1 also. So today we have completed NCERT exercise 8.1, 8.2 also. Thank you very much everyone.